Hi mga ka-First Bahay, I'm Candy Morales at ngayon nandito tayo sa The Cove by First Lipa at mag-house tour tayo dito sa Amani Mead for as low as 15,000 in peso. Monthly down payment na po yan at ma-avail nyo na po itong napakagandang unit na to na fully finished yung deliverable. Gated na rin po and kasama na rin yung fence. Ang hindi lang po kasama dito is yung ating bricks and yung ating halaman. Ito pong nakikita natin, ito yung service area natin for expansion po ng ating kitchen or laundry area. Ito po yung ating toilet and bath. As you can see, naka-tiles na rin, fully finished na. Napakaganda ng unit na to kasi gamit nyo na lang ang kulang at syempre kayo. Yung stairs naman natin ay concrete na, hindi po yan kahoy. Included na rin po yung steel handrails. And dito sa second floor, we have 2 bedroom at walang